Hello everyone, welcome to Imajuti's kitchen. My name is Akash. Today we are preparing Gatte sabji, which is Marwadi special. Ingredients to make Gatte sabji: 2 cups of gram flour, 1 cup of curd, coriander powder, chili powder and salt. These 4 are according to your taste. Cumin, ajwan, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 chopped onions and 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and astaghfirullah. We want to add basin into the bowl and ajwain and some jeera and turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder and taste and salt according to your taste. And want to put water for mixing of ghee in it, and we should mix well it and we water as required. It will look like this. We should make it as small balls and should knead it like this. Now we should add this for boiling water. Add this gattu to boiling water. Making masala, we should add 1/2 tablespoon of asafoetida, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and salt according to your taste, and turmeric powder 1/2 tablespoon. And mix it well. Now we should add oil into a pan. Leave it for heating. Garlic, onion, we should mix it. Enough red chili powder and 1/2 spoon of coriander powder and asafoetida and salt according to your taste. And we should add this curd mixture. And we should mix it well. Leave it for boil. It's ready, and cut it into small pieces, and we should add into masala. And we should mix it. Add with lid and should leave to 4 to 5 minutes. Gatte sabji is ready and to serve.
Please like our video, share and comment and subscribe our channel.
Bye.
Bye.